You know why I like credit repair so much? It's because I have had 39 years on this earth, and there have been so many times during my life that no matter how loud I yelled, how much I screamed, how much I fought for justice, I was ignored. And when I get to help someone with their credit report, it helps me because there's so many times I haven't been able to be heard. But I know how to be heard with credit, and I'm able to help people change their lives. So if you or anyone that you know is looking to fix their credit, I would love to be able to talk to them and give them encouragement and get them some results. You know, at least we know in credit it's a 6-month process. A lot of things in life, when we're not being acknowledged or completely ignored or dismissed or shut down, we don't know when that's going to end. But with credit, you know, if there's a program that we can qualify, it's super easy. Do your stuff. Don't get anything new negative. Don't talk to the creditors. Let us handle it for you. We're able to get you results. I want to talk to you. 502-689-1001.